Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create clips from YouTube videos with AI. The platform that we'll be using is Snapcut AI. I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up, and you can get started for completely free. So once you have tapped on that link, you're going to tap on sign up in the top right hand corner, and you can sign up using your email address, and you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And from here you could input the YouTube link, so we could go onto YouTube, and for example I'm just going to use this video right here. So we will copy the video URL, then go back into Snapcut, and you're going to paste it right there. And by the way, you can see that you could have also uploaded an MP4, or you can choose a different format if you want. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on get clips in one click. Then after doing that, you can select language, so I'll select English. Then you can see the option right there, generate, and you're just going to give it a few seconds, and you can see you can safely leave this page. We'll notify you via email once your project has been successfully generated. And you can just give it a few seconds, and within a few seconds to a minute, your clips will be ready. And you can see right here it has been successfully uploaded. So all we'll need to do now is tap on the X, then we can scroll down and we can tap on the video right there. After you have tapped on the video, you can see that they have created a transcript, and you can see different clippings, so you can select the clipping that best suits you. You can also tap right here where you see the edit option, so you could tap on the pencil for example. After you have done that, you can see a clip right there. You can go over to the top left hand corner, and from there you could tap on CC, and you could edit the caption, so you can select any one of the text that you would like to edit. You can also tap on template right here, and you could change the caption style, so you have different caption options. You can also change the font size and the font color, so you have numerous editing options you can choose from. You could also choose to add a B-roll by tapping on B-roll. From there you could select a particular text that you would like to add a B-roll to. So let's say for example right here, you could select that, then you could tap on add B-roll, or you can choose the AI generated B-roll, which is coming soon, but you could tap on add B-roll. Then from there you could select free images, or you could choose to upload an image if you want. So that's how you'll be able to add a B-roll. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do now is tap on download, and you will now have your clipping. So you could tap right there, and you could change the quality. If you were to go onto their paid plan, you can go up to Ultra HD 4K. Then you'll tap on download, and you'll have your clipping ready. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.